Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video.
Subscribe Awesome Style.
This video is about the visit to seafood fish market. Here you see variety of fishes. Some are alive. Going forward there would be shrimps, lobster. So watch the full video with the ads. You also see fish fillets here. In winter, everyone likes to have the fish, and it's one of the best thing to eat as a healthy food. Right now, you're watching the variety of 25 to 30 type of different fishes. Please watch full video with the ads.
Like, comment, share. Subscribe Awesome Style.